Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and staying healthy. So I've been doing a lot of summer skincare and summer stuff because it's summer already, and I'm sure that you guys want to know these summer skincare hacks to get your summer glow on. And I even raised a poll on Instagram where I asked you guys whether you want to see more of makeup tutorials or skincare videos, and 80% of you voted for skincare. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 DIY face masks to get your summer glow on instantly, and it's like a combination of a few ingredients that would be easily available in your kitchen. So there are days when your skin looks dull, dehydrated, or even pale, like when you did not sleep properly or when you worked for hours. So these are some of the face masks to get that glow instantly on your face, and they would not take a lot of time because they're just a combination of 2 to 3 ingredients. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So first, I'm going to clean my face and I'm using this Pond's Micellar water. I'm just going to clean my face. So for first face mask, you will just need a tomato. You just need to cut the tomato into half. I'm just going to cut it into half. If you have tanned or oily skin, here's your stone to hit both of them together. Now I'm going to rub this tomato liberally on my entire face. While rubbing the tomato, I'm going to slightly squeeze it. Tomato has natural bleaching agents, and this is loaded with vitamin C, and this also acts as a skin brightening agent. Just rub it where you have blackheads and whiteheads. I'm going to let this sit on my face for good 10-15 minutes. Let the tomato juice sink into your skin. It will clean the dirt and impurities from the pores. Also guys, rubbing tomato on your face prevents whiteheads and blackheads, making your skin appear smoother and softer. And you can repeat this process like 2 to 3 times a week, and this will remove the suntan, and this will even make your skin glow. So I've just washed my face after the tomato face mask, and my skin looks definitely a lot more brighter. So this is like the easiest DIY. Like whenever your skin looks dull, you can take half a tomato and rub it on your entire face. That's it. And you might feel a little bit of tingling sensation while rubbing the tomato, but it's completely normal. So moving on to the second face mask. This is a aloe vera plus honey plus cucumber. So this is a super hydrating DIY face mask. It's like 3 simple ingredients that make a powerful combination. So this is the mask that you need to make your skin look healthy and radiant again. So let's see how it's made. For this face mask, all you need is aloe vera. It's better to use fresh aloe vera for good results, and grated cucumber and a little bit of honey. I'm going to split this into half and then scrape out the pulp. First, I'm going to cut the edges. After blending the aloe vera, I'm going to add in some fresh cucumber juice. So I have this grated cucumber and I'm going to squeeze this. Now I'm just going to squeeze this fresh cucumber juice into it. That's it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of honey into this. And that's it. Just mix these well. I'm just going to apply it on my face. This is like a quick fix to restore and replenish your skin in no time. So aloe vera has a lot of vitamins and antioxidants, and it also helps in fading the acne marks or the dark spots, giving a brighter looking skin. And guys, you know what? I just love that honey gives a bright and dewy glow to the skin. And when we talk about cucumber, it's loaded with antioxidants and folic acid, making it an excellent ingredient for a DIY face mask. It just improves the overall texture, tone and appearance of the skin, and it's refreshing at the same time. So I just love this face mask. So you can apply this face mask like 2 to 3 times a week, and once you start following it religiously, you're going to notice a difference in your skin and your skin texture. So I think this is an amazing face mask for summer. So moving on to the third and final face mask. This is gram flour plus lemon juice plus turmeric and some yogurt. So guys, I'm sure that you must have heard or seen your mom, your dadi or your nani applying this face mask. So this is a popular beauty remedy across Indian homes for its numerous properties, and I don't know how much to say about this face mask. So let's see how this mask is made. So for this face mask, you'll need some gram flour, and to that I've added a pinch of turmeric. Make sure you add a very small amount of turmeric, otherwise your face might turn yellow. After this, I'm going to add in some curd, and lastly a few drops of lemon juice. Just mix these ingredients well. So we don't want our face mask to be so thick, so I'm just going to add a little bit of rose water. So we want our face mask somewhat like this, not too runny and not too thick. I'm just going to apply this. Guys, this face mask is like an all-in-one face mask. Like if you're suffering from acne, suntan, or if you just want to improve the overall texture of the skin, then this is what you need. This actually cleanses your skin from deep within. I've seen my mom applying this face mask so many times. I've evenly applied this all over my face and neck, and now I'm going to let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. So after this face mask, my skin definitely looks a lot more clearer and glowing. So guys, these were some of the easy and quick face masks to get your summer glow on. Summer is that time of the year when you don't want to wear a lot of makeup but you still want that glow. So these are some of the face masks that you can try. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in my next video.